Alright guys, welcome to my channel. We're back here at my usual graveyard spot where I fly, but this place is so huge, I'm like in the middle of it now. Usually I'm way down, way down that end, and this continues further that way, but it looks like a cool spot here, so we'll try it out. What do you think, guys? Okay. Wish me luck. Well, it took a few minutes to find. The battery unplugged when I hit the ground there, and well, I hit the tree and then it went to the ground, but I wasn't sure if it was in the tree or on the ground because yeah, battery unplugged, and I forgot to record in my goggles, so I was like blindfolded looking for this thing actually. Nothing too major, just a broken prop. And luckily my daughter found the broken prop, and that's why we found it, because we were totally looking in a different place. Alright guys, see you next time. Have a good one.